Hello everyone, I'm Lokajit Kudan. In today's video, I'm going to dive into my journey with NFTs. I'm also going to include my very first NFT minting experience. I've been learning a lot about NFTs and their future, and I thought it would be great to share what I've learned with you all. I personally created the content, script, and editing for this 5-minute video just to make it simple and easy to understand for everyone. Whether you are new to NFTs or just curious, I'm sure you'll find this video valuable. Let's dive into the video.
Alright, before we talk about the future, let's quickly define what an NFT is. NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. It's a unique digital asset that represents ownership or proof of authenticity of a specific item or piece of content. These items could be anything from digital art, music, videos, real estate, and even tweets. The key thing to remember is that NFTs are unique, unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are interchangeable. NFTs are unique and cannot be replaced with something else. Now, you might be wondering, are NFTs still growing or have they already peaked? Great question. The truth is, the NFT market has seen explosive growth over the past few years, and 2024 shows a lot of promise for continued development. Just look at these numbers. From art to virtual real estate, NFTs have become a multi-billion-dollar industry. Companies like Nike, Gucci, and Adidas are creating their own NFT collections, and the gaming industry is integrating NFTs into their ecosystems. NFT platforms like OpenSea and Rarible have exploded in popularity, making it easy for creators and buyers to connect. But here's the interesting part. NFTs aren't just about digital art anymore. They are revolutionizing industries like fashion, music, gaming, and even real estate. This isn't a trend. It's a movement. So, where can you buy and sell these NFTs? Well, there are several NFT marketplaces out there, but the most popular are platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, Foundation, and SuperRare. Think of them as the eBay or Amazon of NFTs, just with a focus on digital collectibles. On these platforms, you can browse different types of NFTs, whether it's digital art, virtual land in the metaverse, or even virtual fashion. You can also mint your own NFTs if you're a creator. But before jumping in, keep in mind that you'll need some cryptocurrency, usually Ethereum, to make your transactions. Now, let's talk about the real value of NFTs. Why are people willing to pay thousands or even millions of dollars for a single digital picture or a tweet? For creators, NFTs are a way to get direct payment from their work. Plus, there's something called royalties, which means that artists can earn a percentage every time their NFT is resold. For collectors, NFTs represent scarcity, just like owning a product signed by a celebrity or owning a first edition book. Owning an NFT gives you something exclusive that no one else can have. And in the future, this can unlock special access, experiences, and even rewards in the digital and physical world. So, why should you care about NFTs right now? The first reason is timing. We are still in the early days of this technology. Think about it. In the early 2000s, people didn't see the value of internet and e-commerce. But now, it has all changed. We are literally living in that. NFTs are going to continue growing, and there are more ways to get involved than ever before. Whether you are an artist, gamer, or investor, there are tons of opportunities to get in. What does the future hold for NFTs? Well, as the metaverse continues to grow, NFTs will be a central part of our digital lives. Imagine owning an NFT that represents your avatar's clothes in a video game or a piece of digital art displayed in your virtual home. NFTs also open up new opportunities for industries like gaming, music, fashion, and real estate. Whether it's owning exclusive in-game items or participating in a virtual concert, NFTs are creating entirely new revenues and experiences. So there you have it. NFTs are transforming the digital world by creating new ways to buy, sell, and own things online. Whether you are an artist, a collector, or someone curious about the future of technology, NFTs are definitely something worth exploring. And here's some exciting news. I've been working on my own NFT project. It's a collection of 10,000 unique digital collectibles, and I'm really proud of how it all came together. This project wouldn't have been possible without the support of my family. My father, who has helped me financially and technically, and my whole family, who's been there every step of the way. It's been a true team effort, and I'm excited to share it with all of you soon.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video helpful and learned something new about NFTs. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Lokajit's World for more art, tech, and NFT related content. Your support means a lot to me. See you in the next video.